Everyone, this is I'm making some more roti today. I just got an order for some roti and they wanted a little over a dozen, but I'm making a little bit over a dozen. So yeah, this is all the mixture. It's been sitting for about an hour and a half and now I'm cooking it. So I'm using this pan that I created myself to make it. So I just put it on I roll it out and I put it here, and I'm adding a little bit of olive oil with a touch of low-fat, gluten-free butter. So I just decided I'm going to create my own pan to do my roti. So here I am oiling it. It's actually not easy to make. It takes time. It's time consuming. So that's why it's very rewarding when you make these things for an order for someone and they appreciate it and they bless you with the payment that's worth it. So it's a lot of time take to make these things and time consuming. So nothing is cheap anymore. Flour is not as cheap anymore, so we all know that. So it's nice when your neighbor says, can you make this for me, and they are going to give you more than what you ask. So it's a blessing. So here, yeah, it's my roti. It's amazing. You got to hear how I made this. I even made it with coconut milk. Like, really, coconut milk? Girl, I tell you, ladies, I tell you, it is so soft, so delicious. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to take it off, clap it, and I'll show you. Yeah, you can eat this with curry chicken and roti, or whatever. I mean, curry chicken and roti, or whatever you want to make it with, stews and all of that. But yeah, it's almost done. Like you can see, there it is. And I'm just going to clap it, and it's going to be ready for the people that ordered it. So yeah, here we go. Enjoy it if you can make it. If not, watch out for my YouTube, Nali for you, with a 4, number 4. And if you look at that, I'll post it tonight and I'll put the recipe underneath so you can, link it up. All right. And let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Bye-bye.